To contrast the fine line underglaze inlay technique that I did on the scoop, I'm going to do a similar technique with the Unomi with fine line underglaze inlay, but I'm going to use the aid of wax resist for this. And there are a couple of reasons why I choose to use wax resist on this form. Part of it is because I have all these textures and lines that I don't want to get disturbed from wiping the surface down with a sponge. And during the wiping away process of the underglaze inlay. And so it helps to protect that surface and not erode that down as I'm wiping it away. And it also helps the piece to dry slower. So the kind of wax that I choose to use on certain forms is Forbes wax made by High Water Clay. And it is a water-soluble quick wick drying wax that brushes on really smoothly, and it's pretty durable too. And this is actually dry and ready for me to put the decoration on. It's completely dry to the touch. It's not sticky at all. You can see the difference right now, how the wax resist is really resisting that underglaze, except for in those incised lines.